Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that is what you're looking for, this is the channel for you. Today I have a collaboration for you, and I am collaborating with an Amazon brand, and this particular wig that we're going to be looking at comes from MS.OneHair, and you can get that on Amazon. The wig that I'm going to be getting, I think it's around $38. I'll put all the deets, okay, in the description box below. This that I'm wearing right now is actually a hat wig. It's a wig made for hats. You're going to be seeing a bunch of these on my channel. This is the one from Jean Renault, so if this isn't up yet and you want to see it, go ahead and say I want to see it, and if it's already up, see it. Okay, so this is the wig we're looking at. I haven't even taken it out of the bag. Little card. My cat is in a drawer. It comes with the wig cap, which I love. Ooh. She's definitely a dark brown. Just touching this is like a wavy. It's definitely a silkier wig, but it is very dense and it does feel quite luxurious in just the density of it. It does have sort of that faux pre-plucked scalp. This is going to be ear-to-ear lace. Let's look at it from the inside. Yeah, I'd say this is a 13x6 maybe situation. It's got 2 combs right here in the front, then a comb at the crown. There's no comb in the back. Ugh! Why not? But it does have adjustable straps. I hate when they don't have combs in the back. I mean, now that I don't have hair back there, I guess it doesn't really matter because I would have to wear a wig grip, but still. Right, let me cut the lace and get this chick on, and then I will get her together on camera after I cut the lace. Okay, be right back. So I'm really happy with this wig. I review a lot of wigs in this sort of natural color brown. This does have a silkier texture. Oh, the combs are not in, and you would actually probably want to glue this down. It is a larger wig cap. I don't care about that stuff, so I don't glue mine down because I'm about to do a whole bunch of other wig reviews. But if you wanted to, you could glue it down, and just also keep in mind that it is a larger wig cap, or you could kind of flip the cap up back underneath your ear like that, and then just have the hair be like this if it is too big. This is about 24 to 26 inches. The density is quite thick. I'm not having an issue right now, but I have noticed when I have wigs like this, like with a couple of my Charisma wigs, when they're this beautiful silky texture and the density is crazy, which is good, I would sometimes not be able to wear them for very, very long periods of time, like an all day and night situation, because they would get too heavy and I would get headaches. But I am a migraine sufferer, so that's sort of, you know, that with that. But I think it's so beautiful. She's going to tangle at this length, but with these beautiful waves, they're coming out quite easily. Okay. You could sort of tuck her back, or, you know, do some fun little updos. I'm not going to because I don't want to cut this back any further. Yeah, a little bit of glue or got to be glued or something, and then powder would take care of, you know, melting the hairline. I'm not super interested in that. I'll just wear it like this and be fine with it. Everybody knows I wear wigs, I don't care, but not everybody wants, you know, to see the line of demarcation. I think that the hairline is quite nice though. Let's look at her from the back. This is her from the back. She is a little bit shiny, but she's not, she almost looks healthy shiny. She's looking way shinier in my lights. Let me see what happens if I turn this light off here. Oh yeah, so you can see she's not that shiny when I don't have that big front light on. So I think that that's fine. She just looks like healthy hair. Because when I'm looking in my mirror, she does not look that shiny. But I gotta film, I gotta have the lights. Alrighty-roo. So that's what I have for you for this wig review. Thank you so much for the collaboration. I will put all the deets on how you can purchase this wig down below. If there's another wig from Amazon that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I have a complete playlist. I actually have ordered and reviewed and worn quite a bit of wigs from Amazon, so you can go ahead and check that playlist out. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.